Money. We're back, and this is our Nerf gun stash. Wait, no, arsenal
And stash.
And wait, if you like it, like some of these Nerf guns, please describe the Nerf guns. So we'll tell you the Nerf guns, so you can tell us. You can tell us which one you like. Okay, so
We have 2 Vulcans, as you can see, a Titan, 2 Buzzbee double shot, a Recon CS6, a Deploy CS6 Recon barrel, a Raider CS35, a Stampede ECS, another Recon CS6, Dart Tag, Night Finder, there's another Dart Tag, ammo stash, 2 knives, ammo stash, tons of streamline darts. We have more than that. Some more bullets. We have 2 grenades that we use. They're just Nerf gun. And then Vulcan clips, belts, and we have tons of dart tag. We have free dart tag. And then we have mag strike. Here's the mag strike. And then this gun is the the Maverick. And that's all, folks. Please subscribe and please like. See ya. Bye.